Hello. In this lecture, we will see the results of seismic forces and model. So right-click, Tables, Model Analysis Results. Model Analysis Results. And click down. The first period is 0.63, frequency 1.58. The mass participating in this mode is UY 69.35%. In X 0.03. So this mode is mode Y. Is mode Y. And 0.63 is TY. The second mode, the period is 0.59. Relative mass UX is 69.6 or 69.57 because this is the cumulative mass. 69.57. So the second mode is mode X. I can check by click on view and results, diagram for bars, deformations. Now click on deformation and choose model and mode 1. Apply. The deformation will be on Y because the mode 1 is Y. Dynamic analysis result is in direction of Y, 69.35. The second mode is in direction X. And the mode 3, direction XY, rotations. So the rotations. We will see now the ETABS. I will open ETABS. Click on Tables, Results, Model Results, Model Participating Mass Ratios. Double click. The first period is 0.64 and the participating is 0.69Y. The second period is 0.61 and the mass participating is 0.69, so X. How can I check in ETABS? We'll close this table. Display, deformed shape. Click mode and mode 1. Apply. You see, I can click down, star animation. So the mode is in direction Y. Click on mode 2 and apply, and star animation will be in direction X. And mode 3, apply, star animations, XY, rotation about Z. Click stop on animations and close. I can click display and deformed shape. To see the reactions and the value of seismic forces, click on reactions, base reactions. Fx 1593.99 Fx of spec X, and the value of spec Y is 1431. Open a robot, click down, like display on deformed shape, and right click, tables, reactions. Click down to open the reactions. What is the reactions? Spec X 1465.44, spec Y 1369. Fx and Fy. Now I will write all results in Excel. What is the self weight in robot and ETABS? Self weight this number, copy, paste. In ETABS, the SDL live load TX. What is the TX? So model participating mass ratios. TX is the second, so 0.61 in ETABS. So in ETABS 0.61. In robot, right click, tables, model analysis result, okay. 0.63. So 0.60, oh, okay. The TX is 0.59, okay, 0.59. TY in robot 0.63, and in ETABS 0.644. 0.644. Spec X, like view, and right click, tables, reactions, spec X, this value, and the spec Y, this value. In ETABS, base reactions, spec X, so the self weight same as the L equal and live load. TX 0.59 and 0.61, TY 0.63 and ETABS 0.644. Spec X depend on period. So the TX is 1465 and ETABS 1493, and the robot, the spec Y is 1369, and in ETABS 1431. The calculations of period in robot and ETABS depend on many factors. Firstly, the type and the method of calculations, and secondly, the seismic weight. The ETABS ignore part of seismic weight, so there is a little bit difference between robot and ETABS. So the period TX is 0.59 and the ETABS 0.61. And because this difference in TX and TY, spec X and spec Y in robot and ETABS are different.